Hi guys, what's up guys? It's Keto. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup, but there's a little twist to this video because I just drank this whole, is this a can? Can. I just drank this whole can. Well, there's still some left, but I was about to say bottle. I'm sorry if you can see my wet sleeve. I just had makeup on, and I took it off just to put it back on for this video. So this is for you. So first, I'm gonna start with primer, and the primer I'm gonna use today is this Too Faced Hangover Primer. I use it every single day. Literally, it's so good. Even when I don't wear makeup. It's so cold. Even when I don't wear makeup, I put this on after I wash my face because it feels really nice. And you guys see my edges today? Like, I started doing this new look with my edges, and I think I like it. And if you guys like it too, let me know down in the comments below. Or if it looks ugly, let me know, okay? Okay, now that my primer is on, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And for that, I'm going to use the I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate. This is really dried out. As you can see, I'm broke and I don't have money to buy a new one, so that's what I have to work with right now. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows like so. Did that do anything? My brows have not been good lately. They've been actually really ugly, but they haven't been as good as they used to be. Let me just say that. They're not terrible, but I don't know. I guess I just don't care about them anymore. So I just do what I gotta. As you can see, there's a Christmas tree behind me because it's almost December, and that's when Christmas is. Okay, this isn't what I want it to look like, but it's good enough, I think, so I'm just gonna move on to the next one. I'm going to bed after this anyway, so just so you guys know, no, I'll talk about that later when I'm doing my face, so then I have something to talk about. Oh my gosh, I'm so much better at YouTube when I'm intoxicated.
Either of you want to bite?
Yes. Okay, that looks good enough, I think, so I'm gonna move on to my foundation. So now, I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. And just so you guys know, I am over 21, so I'm allowed to drink, so yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is set my foundation using the Luxury Banana Powder by Ben Nye. Now I just put a little bit in the cap, like that. And I'm gonna use this fluffy brush and just take, whoa, that's a lot. I'm just gonna tap off the excess so I don't put too much. And then I'm just gonna lightly go over my whole face with this powder. Okay, now that I set my face, I'm gonna go in and just highlight where I want it to look a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna use this raggedy, scraggly sponge that I've used 6 times. And I'm just gonna go under my eye area. Now that it looks like I did 3 lines of cocaine, I'm gonna use this bronzing powder And as you can see, I've hit pan a little bit, just a little bit. But then I realized that this color is exactly the same as this color and this color mixed together. So I'm just gonna dip into both of these colors and it's gonna make the same color that I had right here. So that's just a life hack if you wanted it. Now I'm just gonna contour. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks and my forehead and then my nose with these two colors mixed. I'm high-key sweating right now. Now I'm gonna be careful when I do my forehead because I don't want to mess up my edges because I took a long time doing them this morning and I want them to look cute for the video, so yeah. It's so hot in here.
Open your window behind you.
Whoa. I don't know how to open a window.
Click from the bottom.
This?
Yeah.
What do I do?
Push it up and then push.
Oh shit.
No, you push it from the top.
Well, it worked. Is it raining?
Yeah. Bless you.
Thanks. So I'm sorry if you can hear that rain. I know it's a little bit annoying, but you know. A bitch is sweating. And remember when you're doing this and you did your edges real nice, just be careful so it doesn't mess up. So just tap over them instead of like swiping, just in case you have good edges like me. Whoa, getting a little bit narcissistic. Now we're gonna go back to the powder with our ugly ass sponge, and we're just going to cut this out a little bit. Okay, where is it at? I need more. Alright, so we're just gonna cut our cheekbones.
Alright, well,
pull down. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, Zay. I'm actually such a good makeup artist, it doesn't make sense. No, bitch, like, I'm good. Like, I could do fucking Kim Kardashian's makeup.
Yeah.
Like, Kim K, like, where's my video? You did one with Jacqueline and fucking Nikki Tutorials, but where's mine? Okay, now I'm going to contour my nose. So I'm going to use the same colors that I used for my cheeks. I'm sorry that I keep looking at myself instead of the freaking camera. I'm so sorry. You suck at that. I'm just going to go down the sides of my nose like this. You guys ever see that this eyebrow is way higher than this one? Like, look at that. Whoa, why is it like that? I notice it all the time and it's so ugly. Well, I really only notice it when I'm freaking editing. And I'm like, ew, why does it look like that? I'm legit sweating my ass off right now in front of this Christmas tree. I look so good. Girl, what's those eddies? Oh my god. Can't screw.
Huh?
Can't screw anything. Now I'm gonna put on some blush. And what I like to do with my blush, I like to, you know, put it on the apples, bring it up. Ooh, do you hear that sound? This is now turned into an ASMR channel, people. So now that I have my blush on, I'm gonna do some freckles. Now, a lot of people use like Anastasia Dip Brow for freckles and all that, but since mine is so, I like would do that, but mine is so dried out that I'm gonna use this brow gel that's like brown. Oh, excuse me. Hey, you could see that good enough, right? I just tap. Ew, I don't like how my face looks in this lighting. I guess I'm uglier than I thought. Okay, and then I'm just gonna like tap over them with my finger.
Gosh, 40
so
seconds left, bro.
They're not as like
Play Fortnite or this shit?
what's the word? Opaque?
Oh, good.
I'm smart. This is the last step. I know you're thinking like, wow, you're still ugly, so
Neither.
How is there only one more
No.
step left? What is that last step that's gonna like
just
push
saying,
this
you know,
look
yeah.
to the next level?
I'm gonna be
But
the,
girl, I got you. Like, let me just show you. These lashes that I have, okay, these are big lashes, okay? These are drag lashes, I think, honestly. Alright, set that one down to dry a little bit. Because if you know anything about lashes and lash glue, you can't just put it right on after you put the lash glue on. It's not gonna stick. It's just gonna slide around on your eyelid like people skiing in the fucking...
what a doggy.
I don't know where I was going with that. And we're just gonna apply this lash, and then you're gonna see, y'all are gonna see how this lash transforms this whole look and makes it look sexy as hell, okay? Oh.
Damn. Got lost there.
All right, let's try that again. Oh, see that? Like, hi, I'm alive. I'm not dead no more. This lash has changed my life forever.
Anybody want some nugs? My mom didn't eat them. Are you drunk?
No.
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Dave, you want some nuggets?
Huh?
They're good.
Good.
I don't really wear lipstick that much because it dries up my lips so much because my lips are chapped all the time. But, and here comes the train, so it looks like I gotta end this video right the fuck now. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this one.
I'm right, knew it.
Bye guys, see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Goodbye guys. I hope you like this look and my lashes. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. What else do I say? Follow me on my socials, Instagram, Kita_March13. I don't really give a fuck about Twitter or Facebook, honestly, but if you want to follow me there too, I guess you can. Why have I been ending this video for 5 minutes long? Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace.